how to cancel automatic payments or subscriptions on PayPal. You want to sign into your PayPal account. Then click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you select the settings icon here, then you will need to locate payments from the top bar. Click on payments, and here if you scroll down, you will see online purchases and also automatic payments. Click on automatic payments to find this section, and you will be able to locate all of your currently active subscriptions and also the inactive ones. You can click on it here to see them. If you want to cancel a specific subscription or payment, automatic payment, you will just click on it. And then next to the active status, you have the cancel button. Click on cancel like I am doing right now, and then you just have to confirm it, and that's how you cancel automatic payments on PayPal. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.